Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to rotate the image on inside your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rotate an image on your WPS spreadsheet mobile, I just going to show. So I just going to open a blank document here. So click just going to insert a image here by going inside the insert option and picture option here. So this is an image from my Clash of Clan. So I'm just going to resize this first. Okay, so let's be going to rotate this image. So you will just click on the image first. If you are on the cell, just click on the image, then you will see an option called rotate left or right on the bottom section. Click on this. You can just rotate left or you can rotate right. If you want to have a free rotation, you can just use this option. So you can just rotate by using an angle, so like 170 degree or 180 degree or 200 degree, like that. So you can just rotate by angle. This is how you just rotate the image on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.